Guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav, and in today's video we are going to be doing a My Legion Secrets review and also a bit of training for you guys. So if you're interested in My Legion Secrets, you're thinking about joining it or maybe wanting to do a bit of research, I'm sure that this video is going to be helpful. And additionally for you, I have a playlist in the description that has all my entire journey documented. So in case you want to check it out, feel free to hit that link in the description and go to the playlist. Guys, I'm going to hop on my screen and share with you the rest, but I'm going to welcome you once again to the channel. And if you want to know more about skill sets, then this channel is going to be for you. So let me hop onto my screen and share with you a little bit more. Awesome, guys. Once again, welcome to the channel and this video. And first and foremost, if you are interested in learning skill sets, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification below, because I really put a lot of work into this channel and it does help me personally if you do like, subscribe, and also maybe comment on these videos, because we're here to help each other and I'm personally documenting my entire journey, and I hope this documentation of the entire journey helps you out with the skill sets that you can use to pave the way for dreams to come true, whether it's in affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing. For now, I also do trading, but I'm not really putting out any videos on trading right now. I will at some point of time in the future. So this group that I have on Facebook is to support all the members who do decide to join. And the link to this group is in the description in case you want to join it. You do have to answer some questions, and anybody who gets started with me in this journey has access to it. I have a series out at the moment, guys, that's showing you how to make $1,000 a month, and in a step-by-step manner, the exact strategy that I am following. If you want to follow along, you can go ahead as well. And if you do want to follow along in this group, in the guide section, that is the information right here. So I'm always supporting my members to the fullest. That's one thing that I really want to give you. So in case you need to find a simple strategy where you do have a day job, you do have things to do, and you want to leverage your time with the half an hour, 1 hour a day that you have, then you can use these strategies. Right now, I only talk about paid strategies. I do not talk about free strategies, but in the future, I will be sharing with you guys what free strategies I am using. Now, one of the things with regards to the free strategies, or any kind of strategy, I always implement, get results, and then I speak about it. If I haven't got results, you're not going to see anything. And in fact, today's video with My Legion Secrets, we're going to be doing the same thing. So let me just go with a simple overview of why I got My Legion Secrets, what I do with My Legion Secrets, and so on and so forth. First and foremost, My Legion Secrets, guys, is an email marketing service that basically gives you access to 100 leads every single day. So they upload 100 leads into your account every single day, and it does cost you. So it costs you about $30 a month to get started, and the $30 one-time setup fee. So in your first month, it would be $60, and then it would be $30 after that. Basically, you're spending $1 a day to get 100 leads every single day. Now, these 100 leads are basically 100 emails that you can send out an email once every 24 hours to these 100 leads. If they click and they buy, then obviously you're going to get a commission from it. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to send them only My Legion Secrets. A lot of people have this confusion of My Legion Secrets only converting for My Legion Secrets. Well, that's not the case. If you guys doubt it, I have proof in the description. You can check out my playlist of all the proof and the monthly updates that I do. I use My Legion Secrets personally. Why I joined it is I do have a full-time job. As I mentioned, I have a 9 to 5, and I use My Legion Secrets because I can send it out an email and I'm getting access to an audience. I can advertise with the least amount of effort and the least amount of time, because I do want to spend my evenings doing other things, going out for runs, taking care of my health, and doing so much for myself that I don't want to spend all my time online with free methods. So I'm using and leveraging My Legion Secrets every single day to send out an email and get access to people going to my offer. I do have a specific strategy. You can find that in the other videos, but that's what I'm using it as a traffic source, as an advertising source. It's one of the reasons why I got it. I didn't mind spending $30 a month. Maybe you don't have that budget. That's really up to you to check it out. I personally recommend My Legion Secrets because they give you 100 leads every single day. Now, that can go up to 200 leads every single day if you do refer at least one member to My Legion Secrets. But it's not about that for me. I use it, as I say, always in my videos, I use it as a traffic source primarily. It is becoming an income source, because not from these videos, I'm just going to say it out loud, not from these videos, but it is becoming an income source for me. I am promoting it within my 7-day period, because every single day you can send out an email. 2 days a week I do send to my legion secrets. So that's what I do, and I have got some referrals there. So now I get 200 leads every single day, but I don't use it. I don't use it as a primarily to get those sales and that income. It can go away. I right now have 6 people in my team, in my downline, which means I'm getting $30 a month. So my traffic source is pretty much free. That's what I did. Once I reached that goal, it doesn't matter if anybody else joins me or doesn't join me. My aim is to keep the movement and the goals running, right? So the traffic source moving for me, and also cost effective. That being said, I will to share with you in today's video a lot of people in the group. So let me just go to the My Legion Secrets group, because I want to show you guys some maybe results that you can see. If I go to My Legion Secrets group, guys, you can see that there are people making ClickBank sales. Hats off to Alan, who's, this is a old payment, but you can see right here 1 day ago. There's also Nelson that's posted that he made $28 in commissions. There's a ClickBank sale here. So you can see consistently people are posting. Another sale right here, $24 here. If I scroll down, you can see another ClickBank sale here. Some My Legion Secret sales itself, another ClickBank. So you can see a lot of ClickBank sales. You can see my sales here. This is mine in Warrior Plus. And if I just to give you guys a little bit of an update on myself personally, if I go to search in the group and I just click on myself, you'll be able to see this is 1, 2, and ever since I can really scroll down, there are lots of payment proofs for myself that I'm getting, but I've earned, I think, over $600 just from My Legion Secrets in my offers, so outside My Legion Secrets, but using it as a traffic source. Just wanted to show you that. And within this whole group, a lot of people have been asking about different strategies. Now, for example, even my own post. So let me just go to one of my posts. So that you can see. In my posts, I usually share tips in this group. So I talk about it. I have videos on this channel, obviously, but I'm making about $150, $54 a month just with this strategy and using My Legion Secrets. As you can see, I'm sharing with you guys tips, and these are becoming more and more frequent for me. Every 2 to 4 days, I'm posting in the group, sharing with you guys some tips. So one of the things that I saw that people were asking is that what are you doing to make better email? So one of the things that I'm doing to make a better email is let me show you the emails that I'm sending out, just so you guys can see. This is the latest email that I did send, so you can have an idea. This is the kind of email that I write, and at the end of the email I add this picture right here. Now some people have been asking, what do you add? Can you add more things, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's very simple. I'm using a service called a Signature Hound. So I need to sign in. So let me just sign in, guys, and sign in if I got the perfect. So I'm signed in, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. You can get started with My Legion, no, sorry, with Signature Hound for free, and you can create one of these templates. Now you add your personal info here, you add your business info here, your design you can choose yourself. I personally chose like an orange to red because that's my colors of everything that I do on this channel, and everything else, my logo is the same. So this is the actual signature, and as you can see, it's different from the signature that I'm using here. Right here you can just see there's a picture of me, and that's it. But the actual signature has my name. It has also a link to my website, and then my socials here. So if you click on this, it goes to my landing page, right? And if you click on this, it goes to my Facebook, and so on and so forth. Click on this YouTube, and then Instagram. So these are the social platforms that I have here. I have my email address and my signature in itself right here. To do this, you basically can play around with this template. It's very easy to sign. You go to templates. After that, you can then choose the template that you want. So for example, you choose this, or you choose this. Actually, I don't even know why it's not showing. So let me just refresh it. So I just refreshed my page just to show you, but you have different options right here. You can see that this is one option, this is another one, and third and fourth, and so on and so forth. You have different options right here, which you can see. You can check it out to understand. Like for example, if you click here, you can see that it changed, right? I'm using the basic one, so it's really up to you what you want to use. So you can add your custom template or use your custom template, add your information, design, call to action. So this, for example, you can add your own call to action here. You can add an own disclaimer if you want, but I kept it very simple. I just added a picture, and there you can see right here is here. And I then added my social, my email address, so business. So you can see if I scroll down here, you can see that the email address, sorry, the link to my page is here. And then you have my socials right here. And then the design is what I focused on, and that's about it. I kept it as simple. Now, how do you actually put this in My Legion Secrets? What you need to do is when you're done and you want to say share it with somebody, right? So you go, actually, you need to go on click create share link, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there's the share link created. But how do you actually take this out, right? So I want to copy this and I want to send it. Now I actually forgot about how to do it, so let's try to go ahead and go to the page, main page, and install signature. Yes, you have to go to, so okay guys, so I'm just going to show you how it looks. I'm going to click on the signature and we're going to see how it looks first and foremost, and then I'm going to go through the basics of it. Okay, so we're in signature hound. So step one would be going to signature hound, creating your account. That's completely free to sign up. You choose your template. So you can add a custom template. You choose what kind of template you want. You add your personal information, you add your picture, and so on and so forth. You add your business information, design. If you want to add a call to action, you can. If you want to add a disclaimer, you can. I'm personally not adding these things. And this is created right here. It shows you how it looks, right? So add in my social media platforms right here, my link, and that's about it. This is my signature. This is what I'm going to be posting in each and every email that I am sending out with My Legion Secrets, because it's giving you personalization. It's giving you also a level of professionalism. People receive your email, they know what they're getting, they know who they're following because they see your image. So they are aware of who you are. Okay, you're building a relationship. Now, how do you actually import this into My Legion Secrets? You go to install signature right here, and you can see that you can install them in different platforms itself. But what we want is to copy the source code. Okay, so you go here and you copy the source code. Once you have the source code, you can go to My Legion Secrets itself. Let me close this out and go to the mailing system so you see it. And I will delete all of this so that you can see. And when you are sending out an email, basically you need to go to source right here, click on source and add the source code. Just copy, so copy paste it here and go out of it. And guess what? This is how it shows. Now you can always edit it. Okay, this is just for you to add it here. You can change the size of the font. So if you want to make it 18, if you want to bold it, so on and so forth, you can do those changes here. What I've done, so I tested both these out, guys. I used the signature right here, and I am linking in. There are many clicks. I want to be honest. I think this has many aspects to it, and it's good if you want to build your social media. It's good if you want to get people to fall into your link. But I have a feeling this is just my personal opinion. It can change for you. You can try this strategy out yourself. But I personally didn't want to get people to my main page, so my website. I didn't want that. And you can see right here, it goes to the website. So if somebody clicks on it, if I can't preview it, but if somebody clicks on it, basically goes to my website. I wanted, you can just, if you want to delete it, you can just simply highlight it and delete it. So it's very simple to delete as you can see right here. Okay, but let's just undo it and show you what I mean. So I thought that these were unnecessary actually, but I still created them. So I created them. I said, if I want them, I will continue. If I don't want them, it's fine. So I deleted these. I deleted basically here, this section right here, and also this section right here. The reason why I deleted these two sections and I just kept it, even TipsWithDav I took out, and this right here also I took out. So just David Pindo is there. So that people are aware. And if I just want only the picture, I can move all of this and it just stays as a picture. So that's how you can keep a picture. Now, if you want to link this picture to, let's say, a page like this, let's say that you are promoting My Legion Secrets as a hidden promotion. Let me just put it that way, a hidden promotion. All you need to do is select this, okay, and go to link, then copy your My Legion Secrets page, add it in the URL there, click OK. And now when somebody clicks on this link, or clicks on this picture, they will basically be taken to My Legion Secrets. Let me show you how that looks. Okay, so if I go to statistics and I open one of these emails and I click on my image, so I'm going to click on the image, where does it take me? To this page that I showed you. So by chance, if somebody does do that, and I've had sales come into My Legion Secrets with this way, but I'm not focusing on them getting My Legion Secrets. The whole point of this email is for them to get my offer. If you are promoting My Legion Secrets to My Legion Secrets leads, then you can say click on, or you focus them on clicking on the signatures as an extra, but you can write an email, have the link there, and then have these two as as a additional in case somebody joins up through the signature, in case somebody joins up through the rest. So this strategy has worked for me. I've got, let me show you guys, but I've got about a couple of sales just from a signature. Okay, so a couple of sales have come in from signature. Actually, 4 sales have come in from a signature. So that's how I know that it works. I personally just keep it as the picture, but if you want to put a PS link, or if you want to put something else, if you want to keep your socials there or add anything else, you can. Ideally, it's the aim is just to make sure that you are personalizing your emails. That's how I'm using it. So I'm using the source code in each of my emails and just putting my image there to personalize it a bit more. That's it. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful for those who want to. Again, Signature Hound is what I'm using to create this, and then I copy the source code, add the source code to my emails, and that's it. You do it once, and then just to highlight, when you do it once, your source code gets saved, right? All your emails get saved. So all you need to do is load an email. So for example, this one right here, and look what I have. I have my image already there because it loads for me, and then I just edit the email out and I edit it as I want. So these are things you can do to save time if you're a My Legion Secrets user. This strategy does work with the signature. As I showed you, I've got sales, but it's not something that I focus on, or it's not something to drive people. So my aim is to get people to an offer to purchase it. So if you're selling My Legion Secrets, then you can have a signature link, you can have a PS link, and you can have the main link. So those are the three places that I would put it if I were you. If you want to build your social media, you can add your social media platforms as well and go on using these methods. Guys, I hope this video has been useful. If you are interested in getting My Legion Secrets, as I showed you, it does work. It's a low ticket traffic source. Then you can find it in the description. There's a link to this page actually in the description of this video. So you can click on it, and all you need to do is click on join My Legion Secrets now. And as you can see, it says $60 the first month, and then $30 every single month after that. Check out this page. It has all the information. And if you have any questions, reach out to me, comment below. I'm going to see you on the next video for more. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.